rejection of man does not matter if God's favor is upon you. Yes, I've moved on from eternal punishment and I am now on to divine protection. My body, I think it's shutting down a little bit. I don't know, somebody commented and they said I was like repetitive and cringe. So I am no longer speaking. Drugs are bad. Like, drugs are really bad. Like, do not fucking take drugs. But also, I want Adderall. Drugs are not the answer. Stop, guys. Stop. Okay, whatever. I'm repetitive, so stop crying. I'm here to show you my room. Do we give a fuck? No. Before you say it. I don't know. I don't even want to show you my room. Like, you kind of scare me. I know my nose contour looks bad. Shut up. They're cutting something down outside. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Don't ask me. My payment declined at Apple this morning, so... Oh my god, the last time I was wearing this shirt, my payment declined at Apple. My payment declined at Apple this morning. And no, that's not information you can use against me because I just didn't put any money on my card. Sorry, is this negative? Am I being negative? Somebody also commented that Germa would be terrified of me. Why would he be scared of me? Literally, what reason would he have to be scared of me, bro? Stop spreading misinformation. I googled it and it doesn't even say we're boyfriend and girlfriend, which is weird. If you Google Germa and Bianca, it says I'm an artist inspired by him, and then it talks about Kim, and then it talks about Holly. So I'm on the list, but I'm not like, you know, I'm not on the list. Like, I'm on the list, but I was supposed to be in the music video. I feel like, in a way, like, I'm, like, definitely spiritually connected to Appalachia. Also, if you say my room objectifies women, like, it happened last time, and I'm not even gonna lie, yeah. Can you see? No, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. You've killed me. You've killed me. Don't worry, I'll come back in 3 days. Rebuke, rebuke, rebuke. No, that's not true. That's not true. That's not true. That's not true. I just need a substance and or an experience to bring light back into my soul. Okay, and right now I don't have that. Right now you can see there's literally nothing there, okay? So give me a second, give me a moment, okay? I need to recharge. I also don't look like myself right now. Can you see it? Like, I literally don't look like myself. I feel like Anna Nicole Smith. I feel like Anna Nicole. So this is my bedside dainty. I know it has coffee spill all over it. No, I didn't clean it up for you, so pardon the mess. So here's my journals. I keep about 40 journals. Okay guys, tell me. Okay guys, okay, so 4 separate journals. I have one journal for my thoughts. I have one journal for my YouTube and my obsessive behavior with YouTube, and then I have one journal. Oh, I have a sketchbook, and then I have a book for the book I'm writing. So the thoughts can't cross over, they all have to be divided, okay? Thank you. Then I have my little, you know, photos of Germa. There's lines in this, which is, it makes it look ghetto, but it's okay. And then, oh my god, I love this photo of Germa. He's so freaking hot. I got my little Dollar General candle, my little angel food cake candle. Not Dollar General, Family Dollar. Ugh, fake, okay. And then I have my books I just bought. The colors all matched. Oh, I bought this journal from Walmart. It was only $6. It's so cute. The colors all matched, and like, you see, like, it matches, like, you see. So I put them all right here so I could look at them every day and never read them. I was actually using this one to hide the fact that I was on my phone. My honey buns candle. Tell me if the colors aren't so beautiful right here. I have my little Virgin Mary candle lit. I love this candle. It's from Walmart. It's only like $1. Stuff, you've seen this probably in the last like 2 room tours. This, I shouldn't have got this in pink. This is my pile of back to school clothes I have bought. These socks are from the Dollar Tree. But they're $5. You, whether rich or poor, need to go to the damn Dollar Tree to get your socks. Here, oh my god, I'm so proud. I'm a proud mama. Goon wall. Okay, So I identify as straight, hashtag, I was gonna say heterophobic, but I think the right word is homophobic. This is my Nicholas Chavez poster. You guys asked where I get my posters from. I get my posters from Shein, the customizable ones. These are only like $2. The huge Megan Fox one was probably like $3 to buy, and this was $2 to buy. So it came out to, God, what's 3 plus 2? And then like taxes and stuff. So you can get the same exact thing I bought from Shein, and the price is super crazy low. Then these are from magazines from the grocery store. You literally do not have to buy vintage or antique magazines because people are still talking about Anna Nicole Smith in 2025 and her death. You know, I had to buy it. But I did cut out the photos of Anna Nicole. It's the only reason really why I bought it. This one is vintage though. This was from a flea market and I had to cut her out because the magazine was so beat up. And yes, I love this photo of Britney. This is literally one of her cutest photo shoots ever, and I love how it fits in like so amazingly into the mirror. Oh my god. This photo, which was just a printout from CVS, I like to have a mix. That's what I mean, like never have all the same sizes, all the same materials. These two magazines, this brand new made in the factory, this from CVS, it's like laminated, and then this is from a vinyl. Everybody has one of these. If you own this vinyl, you have this shit on your wall. This was a birthday gift from Madison. I was literally on eBay looking for Vietnam War advertisements, Life magazines, because I had a bunch of them, but I sold them all, right? And I was like, oh, I sold them all. I knew I was gonna want those back. Under my bed, when me and Madison were cleaning out under my bed, which will be a video, by the way, we found another Life magazine, and I found that immediately. So manifesting is real. That was the same exact night. This one is from the same type of like People whatever magazine, like tabloid magazine. They did a JFK and Marilyn Monroe, whatever. Yeah, I just wanted the photos of Marilyn Monroe pregnant. So look, see how like, oh, I love how it's overlaid. Like I didn't have to do any of that work. They made the sizes, they layered it, everything. I love the colors. And this was also from a magazine. It was literally just like a column about parenting, but I don't know, it kind of looks like a Smith's cover, that type of thing. These, okay, this one is vintage. These were all nicely laid out, and you want to drag us all down nicely at a 90-degree angle, but now he is turned. There's some more photos of JFK. See, this one's actually vintage, and this one's from a printer. This is from a little prayer book I got from a thrift store that was the Lady Fatima thrift store, and they had a whole bin. At those church thrift stores, they will typically have a bunch of like iconography or baskets of free like church samples and stuff like that, prayer books, prayer cards that was donated to them, and rosaries and stuff like that, so you can get a lot of that stuff from there. This is from my Elvis and Me book. This is from a Nirvana CD. That is from an antique store. This is from an antique store. This is from a JFK magazine. This was printed. That's from the theater, obviously. And then that's just the paper, girl. That's just the paper. So let's get into the actual antiquities on my desk. This is, I can't tell you like where I got it from, obviously, but I love this. These little things like this and this poster are main reasons why I painted my room. I just turned out to love these shades so much more, and they satisfied me so much more, and I just love these colors, and it just did not go with my other room. This a white lamp with touches of pink rather than the entire pink shade. Oh, I hate that. So I want to get a white shade for that lamp, but yes, this is what I would prefer because I love the yellow glow so much more than I love a red glow. Favorite possessions. Fumes, literally all of them. From Etsy, marshmallow, breeze, and fried ice cream. Oh, okay. These are my men. These are my boys. That's Patrick. Okay. I've had this photo since like 2021. And Germa. I love the yellow like plastic that came in this old Precious Moments because it actually makes him look like he's been like stuck in a smoker's house for 10 years. The closet I had built into the room because my room was originally not a room for living in. It was an office, so they had to build in a closet. Bro! pissing me off, bro. You keep doing this and we're not contacting your spirit on Halloween. Magazine, anniversary magazine. I love how his full face is the photo. And then Natalie Portman, that was the one I had above here. That was like 2 pages, but all I did was fold the page, lightly pin it in. Okay, I didn't tape anything, so hopefully she's not gonna rip. Yeah, my Marilyn Monroe poster, which I did get from Family Dollar for a very short period. They had a bunch of Marilyn Monroe posters at the Family Dollar. My closet, okay. I had this nicely in a basket. Ooh, so much less ghetto than it was before. Ooh. Yes, I moved all my purses down here. They look so much better down here. I got this cute little heart basket from the flea market. I put some books in. Those are all the picture frames I still need to find a place for. And I moved all this stuff I was gonna sell that never sold from the top of the closet, and I threw it all away, and now I have these nice things in the top of my closet. Okay, some might not do the things I do, and that is okay. I took every piece of clothing that didn't match the room and I folded it up and I put it in a drawer. Because those are just the things I'm gonna do if the closet don't close, okay? There's my full-length mirror. I finally got one. Here is my little DVD collection. I got this shelf from a flea market. These are the things where you just have to like, because when we're looking at the flea market, we're like looking for perfume and magazines and clothes, but these are the things where you have to be like, to get the Pinterest room, you have to get the basics, and I think this is pretty much a basic, but it's so cute and unique. I own a bunch of DVDs that are not cute colors and they go in the drawer, okay? Because I'm not doing that. I'm not about that business. There is my little collection of photos. Elvis and Priscilla, Matthew Gray Gubler. I've probably had this for like 7 years. Little Polaroid of me that BB took. Mary Candle was original. Oh, these little dogs. Oh, and then this was cute. Sorry, I didn't wipe this off for y'all. That's JFK. Oh, oh, oh. JFK, a little prayer card. This chocolate chunk brownie candle from Family Dollar, and then hot cocoa and cream from Bath & Body Works, which was for Madison for Christmas. Some more books. These ones kind of match what's on this shelf, you know. This, Priscilla book, Outliers, Gone Girl. Picture frame I still need to fill, but I love this. I love the blue and the black, and I just think it matches so well. And his little yellow shirt, it kind of like matches with the gold. Look at that. See how it's red? See how it's red? Well, it goes in here. That's where we put all the annoying shit, okay? Oh my gosh, this picture that a woman gave me, she sent this photo to her husband when he went to war, okay? Then he came back with it, they framed it, and she gave it to me for free and told me it would help me find love. And I'm still single. Polaroid camera, little Jesus, Mary, Joseph. Wait, yeah. Oh, this was actually an antique like thing that ladies put around their legs, and I just put it around a picture frame. Life hack. This is from Walmart. Just moments on this medicine cabinet. Again, invest in a medicine cabinet for your room. It's kind of crazy. All my pink stuff kind of ended up going up here. It's so cute. Hey, I don't have a photo in a lot of picture frames. It annoys me really bad, but yeah. All my precious moments. I love these precious moments more than I love these ones. Actually, I love you, but I love these ones more than I love the other ones, so they go in the front. This is my bed. Yay! It's a little dirty. Sorry, I have to move some stuff over for you. You know, my like original like copy of the Blair Witch, and like my kitty notebook and my haul. These are all from Walmart. All these bunnies are from Walmart. Take advantage of holidays, okay? You have to be aesthetically inclined during the holidays, even. My Germa pillow. This is from Shein. People have been asking me, how did you get a pillow of Germa? From Shein. It was like $2. Okay, that's my heart pillow. I found it at the thrift store. You guys know about this. And then this is my shelf. My almighty shelf. This is my print or whatever of the Crush. I wanted like a Crush poster, and the original poster for the Crush is so effing ugly, and then I found this and I was just so amazed because I love her outfit in this scene. Another Family Dollar candle. Matches my colors. This Picture Marilyn Monroe, Evan Peter in a dollar store picture frame. I love this picture frame. That was such a good find. Dollar store pumpkin candle, 90s. Again, she was an inspiration for painting my room a different color because I wanted her in my room so bad, but she didn't match. She is a cheerleader Barbie, and then my birthstone Barbie, the pearl. She was $30, but I'm so glad I got her when I did. My favorite precious moment of all time, which is why it goes on the shelf. And my photo of Megan Fox that I got from Amazon, but I cut the words off at first and then try to put her on the wall, and then I was like, oh no, and then I put her in the frame and that's where she stayed. And then my big Megan Fox poster. Okay, let me explain to you the theory about this. See, when my bed is like actually nicely made and there's like, when I put like pillows here like in front of the window and stuff, it's gonna look so good. One big poster that's being overlapped by your bedding feels so like 2019, like, I don't know, like comforting to me. I don't know why that's so, that like aesthetically comforting. I don't know if anybody can like see the vision of like one big poster being enveloped by your bed. I don't know. Ooh, another girl taking off her janty. Yep. Britney Spears getting naked. This is from an actual magazine, but you can probably buy a print of this. Oh, these 1960 dolls I love so much. I got from the Goodwill. They were so amazing to find. Again, I think these are like maybe $20 on eBay. All these little Yankee candles. I get one every time I go to the mall. Pillar candle from Walmart. Curtains are lace and vintage. I love this thing. It's something you buy separately, and I found it at a thrift store and I love it so much.